Every year, producers are working with the Central Platte Natural Resource District and the University of Nebraska-Lincoln Extension to research the effects of cover crops on soil health. The goal of this year's demo education project was to understand the effects that a shaded environment, which in this case was an established cornfield, has on different mixes of cover crops, while also helping producers choose the plant species that have the best chance to flourish in a shaded environment. 7 different cover crop mixes were used in the 2020 demonstration project, with seed mixes including common species like cereal rye, annual ryegrass, radishes, and red clover, and with some not so common species, including forage soybeans, buckwheat, flax, and phacelia. The 7 different cover crop mixes were interseeded mid-June at the V4 growth stage of corn. This gives the cover crop enough time to capture and utilize the sunlight for emergence and continued growth before the corn canopy closes up. While this plot location demonstrated the interseeding method, past plot locations have looked at other planting strategies like dormant seeding and frost seeding to help give producers alternative planting methods. Throughout the growing season, sensors placed both within the corn canopy and outside the corn canopy logged light intensity and temperature. Solar-powered cameras were installed to monitor cover crop plant growth in each plot. These cameras took photos every day at noon to help document the growth throughout the growing season. The final step of the monitoring process was to take high-resolution pictures within the corn canopy every 3 to 4 weeks to provide documentation of cover crop growth within the shaded environment of the corn canopy. The interseeding strategy of planting cover crops into commercial corn that was used in this demonstration project provides a variety of different benefits and challenges. Benefits observed from this particular project include early establishment of cover crops to extend the time for plant growth, and potential weed suppression during the growing season of the corn. Challenges include the time restraints of getting the cover crops planted and changing the existing herbicide program for the corn crop. Multiple demonstration projects like this have showed that several important factors can greatly affect the growth of cover crops. Some of those factors include planting the cover crop at the appropriate time, using an effective seed mix that fits the planting environment, and determining what planting method fits your farming operation the best. Central Platte NRD uses these demonstration projects to test different strategies and methods to provide producers with the most up-to-date information on using cover crops. The use of cover crops provides many benefits for producers, including improved soil health, better control of nitrate levels in the soil, erosion control, and weed suppression. The Central Platte NRD is looking to work with producers across the district that may be interested in adding these benefits to their farming operations. The Central Platte NRD has 3 programs available for cost share on cover crops: the CPNRD Cover Crop Program, the NRCS EQIP Program, and the new RCPP Soil Health Grant. Details of these programs vary slightly, and more information on these programs can be found on our website or by calling the Central Platte NRD office.
Protecting lives, protecting property, protecting your future. Central Platte NRD.